scare in our area. We have learned 2 people have come down with a form of tuberculosis that's resistant to many of the drugs commonly used to treat the disease. The patients are from the northeast part of Georgia, but we've found out tonight they may have had contact with people in the upstate. 7 News reporter Kirsten Glavin is live in our 7 on Main studios in Greenville. She has the very latest on this. Kirsten.
Well, those 2 people are family members and are currently in home isolation. But now hospitals in our area tonight are on high alert, worried that it may have spread to people up here.
It's an infectious disease that normally you just take antibiotics for. Tuberculosis, or TB, finding its way into northeast Georgia, but the form of it different and more dangerous. According to health officials, this TB is resistant to several drugs.
Generally, there are 4 or 5 standard drugs that we sort of call the sort of typical treatment for it. And that we call multi-drug resistant, they need to be resistant to at least 2 or 3 of those.
The multi-drug resistant TB rejecting powerful antibiotics. 7 News has learned that 2 family members caught it back in mid-December and are now in home isolation. But doctors in Georgia fear it may have spread.
Because we do a contact investigation, anybody who would be at risk, we identify and we offer the proper screenings and then prevention medicine if it is warranted.
A contact investigation now underway in the upstate. Health professionals believing several people may have come in contact with this strain of TB.
In the upstate, it's quite rare. We've seen very, very little multi-drug resistant TB in the upstate.
TB is known to spread through the air and typically attack the lungs. Georgia health officials notifying hospitals in Hart, Franklin, and Stevens counties to keep an eye out for anyone who may have come in with symptoms. That can include coughing up blood, a fever, or night sweats. And although rare, if untreated, tuberculosis can result in death.
It's only when someone does not get treated and does not take the proper medications that death can occur in that type of situation.
And we do know a 3rd person is now being evaluated for this multiple drug resistant TB. Live in the studio tonight at 7 on Main in downtown Greenville, I'm Kirsten Glavin, 7 News.
Thank you, Kirsten. We're told on average Georgia sees 2 cases like this each year. Parents in Anderson County